A very pleasant good morning, dear students. Oxford Public School welcomes you. My name is Anil and I am your English mentor. And today I'm just going to teach you part number 2 of direct indirect speech. So my dear student, in part number 1, I taught you the certain cases in which we do not change our reported speech. तो पार्ट नंबर 1 में मैंने आपको बताया था वो 8 केसेस जिसके अंदर हम अपनी रिपोर्टेड स्पीच को चेंज नहीं करते हैं. And today I'm going to explain the following cases in which we do change our reported speech. तो आज मैं जो आपको बताने वाला हूं वो सारे केसेस हम डिस्कस करेंगे जिसमें हम अपनी रिपोर्टेड स्पीच को चेंज करते हैं. Right? One thing is pretty common. These all the rules which I'm going to teach you today. Your reporting verb is in past. जितने भी अभी आज मैं रूल्स आपको बताने वाला हूं इन सभी रूल्स के अंदर जो आपका रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब है वो पास्ट में रहेगा. एंड वी हैव टू चेंज आवर रिपोर्टेड स्पीच व्हेन वी हैव टू चेंज इनटू इनडायरेक्ट. जब हम इसको इनडायरेक्ट में चेंज करना है सो वी हैव टू चेंज आवर टेंस एज वेल. तो हमें अपना टेंस भी चेंज करना होगा. राइट? सो लेट अस स्टार्ट द वेरी फर्स्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू टेंसेस. तो सबसे पहले आज मैं बताने वाला हूं आपको अकॉर्डिंग टू टेंसेस. देखिए अकॉर्डिंग टू टेंसेस. टेंसेस के हिसाब से अगर मैं बात करता हूं इफ योर रिपोर्टेड स्पीच इज गिवन इन प्रेजेंट. देखिए अगर आपका रिपोर्टेड स्पीच प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनाइट में दिया होता है प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनाइट. सो व्हाइल चेंजिंग इनटू इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच योर प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनाइट चेंजेस इनटू पास्ट इंडेफिनाइट. आपका किसमें चेंज हो जाता है? पास्ट इंडेफिनाइट में चेंज हो जाता है. राइट? और आपका पास्ट इंडेफिनाइट अगर दिया होता है इन केस आपका रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में पास्ट इंडेफिनाइट दिया होता है then your past indefinite changes into past perfect. Past perfect. And if past perfect is given in your reported speech, so past perfect changes into no change. That means past perfect remains same. तो अगर आपका reported speech present indefinite में दिया होता है while changing into indirect speech your past present indefinite changes into past indefinite. And if your reported speech is given in past indefinite, then your indirect speech will change into past perfect. And if your reported speech is given in past perfect, then there is no change while changing into indirect speech. Now, in case of present continuous, suppose if your reported speech is given in present continuous, so while changing into indirect speech present continuous changes into past continuous. किसमें चेंज जाएगा? आपका past continuous में चेंज हो जाएगा. And past continuous changes into past continuous changes into past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous, right? And your past perfect continuous changes into past perfect continuous. And past perfect continuous remains same. It means there is no change. तो वहां पर कोई भी change नहीं होगा. There is no change at all. Right? Now in case of present perfect. Now in case of present perfect, if your reported speech is given in present perfect, so present perfect changes into past perfect. Past perfect. As I told you, past perfect remains same. As I told you earlier also, past perfect तो किसमें रहेगा? आपका past perfect में ही रहेगा. Right? Now in case of present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous changes into past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. And past perfect continuous changes into no change at all. It means past perfect continuous remains same. जैसे मैंने अभी यहाँ पर बताया था आपको, ये देखिए past perfect continuous तो past perfect continuous में ही रहेगा. Clear? Now in case of अगर आपका reported speech past indefinite के अंदर दिया होता है then it means वो किस में चेंज हो जाएगा? past perfect में चेंज हो जाएगा. And अगर आपका reported speech किसमें दिया होता है? past continuous में दिया होता है. past continuous. If your reported speech is given in past continuous, Then past continuous changes into past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. And past perfect continuous remains same. Clear? Now in case of past perfect, as I told you, past perfect remains same. There is no change while changing into indirect speech. And past perfect continuous, as I told you, past perfect continuous, again no change. Clear? So this is how we have to change our reported speech when we change into indirect speech. So let us understand these all the rules according to example and few examples. तो हम examples के थ्रू इनको समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. So now be attentive and listen to me carefully. चलो एक एक को स्टार्टिंग से करते हैं. Today I'm just going to teach you about according to tenses. Clear? Now if I just tell you, see, as I told you, present indefinite. Present indefinite changes into past indefinite. An example. Now let us understand. Ram said to me, comma, inverted comma begins, I play cricket. I play cricket. Ram said to me, I play cricket. So now if you just look at your reporting verb is given in past. आपका reporting verb किसमें दिया गया है? Past के अंदर दिया गया है said to. And if it is said, अगर ये said होता तो said में रहता. Said to है तो आपको told में change करना पड़ेगा. तो ये आपका किसमें change हो जाएगा? Told में, right? तो क्या हो जाएगा आपका? देखें, Ram told me. Now remove inverted commas. Ram told me that. Now I change it according to subject, and your subject is Ram. So therefore it should be he. Ram told me that he. Now present indefinite changes into past perfect. Sorry, past indefinite. Now past indefinite, it means Ram told me that he played cricket. He played cricket. Now if you just look at this example, this is V2, and according to tense, this sentence is of past indefinite. So this is how we can change present indefinite into past indefinite. हम present indefinite को past indefinite में इस तरीके से change कर लेते हैं. I hope present indefinite आपको अच्छे से समझ आया होगा. Now let us understand. अब बात कर लेते हैं. Present indefinite हमने कर लिया. अब बात करते हैं present continuous को किसमें change करेंगे हम. Now let us understand. देखें. Present continuous changes into past continuous. Okay. Now if I say, my sister said, you are making a noise. You are making a noise. My sister said, you are making a noise. Now, my dear student, if you just look at this example, my sister said that. Now, because we are reporting verb is in past, but it is only said, so said comes as said only. Said का said ही आ जाता है. Said to होता तो told में change कर देते. My sister said that. Now, in that case, if you just look at, your object is missing. Now, my dear student, you हमेशा object के हिसाब से use करते हैं. But if you look at this example, your object is missing. So whenever your object is missing, in that case, we have to always consider this particular statement is spoken to you. जब कभी भी आपका अगर ऑब्जेक्ट मिसिंग होता है, so in that case you have to assume that this particular statement is spoken to you. ये particular statement आपको बोली गई है. So therefore अब यहाँ पर हम me को consider करके चल रहे हैं और you को हम ऑब्जेक्ट के हिसाब से चेंज करेंगे, तो यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा? I बन जाएगा. My sister said that I was making a noise. Now if you look at this example, I was making a noise. This is past continuous. So this is how we change our present continuous into past continuous, right? So this is present indefinite changes into past indefinite, and present continuous changes into past continuous. Okay. Now let us understand the further cases of tenses. Present perfect. Present perfect. Now present perfect changes into present perfect. Present perfect changes into past perfect. Past perfect. Clear? Now just have a look. My father said to Ram, you have committed this mistake. You have committed this mistake. You have committed this mistake. Now, if you just look at this particular example, this which is given in reported speech, this is of past. Sorry, this is of present perfect. Present perfect. Now, present perfect changes into past perfect, right? Now, my father said to changes into told. My father told Ram. My father told Ram. Remove inverted commas. Put conjunction that. You changes according to object. Ram is given, so it means he. My father told Ram that he had committed that mistake. He had committed that mistake. Clear? And had plus V3 we use in case of past perfect. So this is how we change present perfect into past perfect. So I hope this rule is also clear to you. Now in case of present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous changes into past perfect continuous. Okay. Present perfect continuous changes into past perfect continuous. Now just look at this example. My brother said, comma inverted comma begins, Ram has been playing cricket since morning. So if you just look at this example, has been playing, this particular sentence belongs to present perfect continuous. ये present perfect continuous हो गया. Now when we change present perfect continuous into indirect speech, then we have to change the tense also, and your present perfect continuous changes into past perfect continuous. The same sentence we have to change into past perfect continuous. Now have a look. My brother said that. Now again, Ram, it means if the subject of reported speech is of third person, अगर आपका inverted commas के अंदर जो subject दिया गया अगर वो third person होता है, so there is no change, वो same आ जाता है आपका. So my brother said that Ram had been playing cricket since morning. Now my dear student, what is the difference between since and for? When we talk about point of time, जब हम point of time की बात कर लेते हैं, तब हम since use कर लेते हैं, and when we talk about countable time period, that time we use for. So this is how Ram had been playing cricket since morning. So this particular sentence had been playing. So this particular sentence belongs to past perfect continuous. So this is how we change our present perfect continuous into past perfect continuous. I hope this is clear to you, right? Now let us understand past में कुछ concept देख लेते हैं. Now past indefinite. See, past indefinite changes into past perfect. Past indefinite changes into past perfect. Now just look at this example. She said to me, I did not attend the meeting. I did not attend the meeting yesterday. I did not attend the meeting yesterday. So this particular sentence, I did not attend the meeting, this particular sentence is of past indefinite. ये past indefinite का example हो गया आपका, and past indefinite changes into past perfect. Now just translate this particular sentence into indirect speech. देखते हैं. She said to, told, she told me that I changes according to subject. So she is given, she told me that she had not attended the meeting the previous day, the last day. Clear? She told me that she had not attended the meeting the previous day, the last day. So this is how we have to change our past indefinite into past perfect. Had not attended. So this particular sentence is of past perfect. Past perfect का structure है यहाँ. So this is how we change our past indefinite into past perfect. I hope this rule is also clear to you. Now let us understand. Now if your reported speech is given in past perfect, so there is no change. Past perfect का कोई change नहीं होता है, as I told you, right? Now past continuous. Past continuous changes into past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. Now see. They said you were crying badly. They said you were crying badly. उन्होंने कहा कि तुम बहुत बुरी तरीके से रो रहे थे. They said you were crying badly. This particular sentence is of past continuous. Now they said that. Now you object is missing. In that case, if object is missing, so we have to assume that this particular statement is spoken to you. So that is why we have to change into I. They said that I had been crying badly. So this is the correct answer, and we have to change past continuous into past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous का structure हो गया आपका had plus been plus V1 plus ing. So this is past perfect continuous. I hope this is clear to you. So this is how we have to change our past continuous into past perfect continuous. Now, please have a look. Some more examples are given. Now, in case of past perfect, see my dear student, as I told you, past perfect remain same. Past perfect में ही आ जाता है आपका, and past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous किसमें आ जाएगा आपका? Past perfect continuous में ही आ जाएगा. It means there is no change at all. There is no change at all, right? Now in case of future की अगर मैं बात करूं, so will को किसमें चेंज कर देंगे हम? would में चेंज कर देंगे, and shall को किसमें चेंज कर देंगे हम? should में चेंज कर देंगे. Clear? And I will also teach you the same topic in case of modal verbs. ये modal verbs में भी मैं आपको समझाऊंगा. So let us understand one more example. Will और would का चेंज कर लेते हैं अभी हम. Now see. If you just look at this example, Ram said, inverted comma begins, my father will start a new business this year. So Ram said, my father will start a new business this year. Now we have to change this direct speech into indirect speech, and while changing direct into indirect speech, will change it into word. So therefore, Ram said that. Now third person is given, so there is no change. Ram said that my father would start a new business. My father would start a new business that year. That year. So this is how will changes into would. I hope, my dear student, this particular concept is clear to you. I try to simplify, and today I taught you those cases in case of tenses only when we change our reported speech. In all sentences, whatever the sentences I taught you, one thing is common: your reporting verb is in past. When your reporting verb is in past and reported speech is given, then we have to always change. Present indefinite changes into past indefinite changes into past perfect no change. Present continuous changes into past continuous changes into past perfect continuous, and past perfect continuous changes into no change. Present perfect changes into past perfect no change. Now present perfect continuous changes into past perfect continuous, and past perfect continuous remains same. Will changes into would, shall changes into should. So today I explained how do we change our reported speech according to tenses. I hope this particular concept is clear to you. Thank you so much, my dear student. Tomorrow I'll explain some more cases of direct indirect speech. Till then, bye-bye, take care, and have a nice day.